Alright, these are my tail lights. This is a replacement. This is one of the originals. And I am fixing to install these, which are key parts, replacement lenses on junkyard it's the key parts replacement lenses on junkyard backs or housings or whatever you want to call it. So anyway, that's what I'm fixing to install. Alright, now here are the finished tail lights. I think they look pretty good myself. A lot better than the old junk that was in there, which this one wasn't too bad, but this one's pretty rough. And I tried cleaning it up a while back, but it's just you can't get this stuff out hardly. Now that I have an extra you know, a good set in here, maybe I'll work on trying to clean these up a bit. And yeah, but so anyway, I'll give you a kind of a rundown. So I've replaced the tail lights now. I've replaced the, well, I put a lift kit in it. I did the spring over axle in the back. Did the 6-inch in the front, Rocky Road Outfitters. New old stock on the parking lights. The blinkers are new, headlights are good. Need to do something with these two lights. They do not work. Got to find that out. The like I said, the parking lights and the blinkers and stuff all are new. So it's that. Spring over axle. Got a spare tire under there, but I probably need to drop it. Yep, but it's got plenty of clearance now. So yeah. So yeah, I've been coming along on this Comanche. It's been kind of hard to get videos because I'm doing a lot of the work myself, and honestly, I'm not that good at videoing this stuff. But I'm kind of learning as I go too, so that kind of makes it hard to film also. But since I've got the Comanche, I've completely redone the interior. I've completely, I did the 6-inch lift with the spring over axle on the back from Rocky Road Outfitters. Replaced all the lights, all the like the vacuum lines and all that stuff. All that's new. Maybe I'll pop the hood and show you that in a second. All right, I'm just going to show you. Here's all the when I first got this, it had a PCV valve in it, which is not correct for these. These are a crankcase ventilation valve. Well, not even, technically it's not even a valve. But so I ordered all this from Napa. You can get it all. It comes with all the vacuum hoses for here and here, the ones that come all the way to the air filter, and also over here. And it comes with, you can also get this one that goes to the manifold. So yeah, so little by little, I'm getting everything done. When I first brought the truck home, I had oil leaks and stuff like that, but after I put the lift kit on it, I noticed it really bad, and come to find out, I was getting a lot of oil in my air filter, and it was leaking out of my air filter, and it basically covered my brand new white shock and all that. So I come home and I started researching, and I figured out it was getting blowback into here, and filling up my my air box, which was, you know, leaking oil everywhere. So the fix for that was to replace this. I mean, I probably could. They said that this is what causes it if this gets maybe kinked or clogged up or something like that. But I went ahead and just replaced everything because I'm not going to spend all this time chasing everything down for something so cheap. So I think it was about 30 for one, 20 something for the other one, and I don't know, like 9 or 10 bucks, something like that. I don't remember, but less than 50 bucks. I got all new lines and everything. So I figured that was a good way to go instead of trying to chase down all these problems. I just, you know, figured I would go ahead and replace it all right there, and so now I know that that's good. And it has been good. It hasn't been leaking oil. Hasn't been, at least not from the airbox anyway. I do have some oil leaks from the transmission and a little bit from the, you know, some other places that I got to work out. But I'm getting there. I did also replace the master cylinder, or not the master cylinder, but the brake reservoir or whatever. I don't know a lot of the names for some of these things because, like I said, I'm not a mechanic. I'm learning as I go, and so yeah. But anyway, I figured I would just throw this video in here right quick and show y'all those. But all that's new. Changed the oil. I need to redo the oil and the differentials and stuff like that, the differential fluid and stuff like that. But I haven't done anything to the transmission yet. It's the Peugeot BA10 transmission, which is garbage. But it's all I have for now. I've got a lead on a 97 Cherokee with the AX15 and 4.0 and stuff like that. So I'm trying to maybe pick that up. And so yeah. But anyway, thanks for watching this. I know I don't have a whole lot of Comanche videos on here like I thought I would. It's just been slow going, you know. I've been doing a little bit here and there when I can, and it's just been hard to film. But figured I'd do an update video at least for those who are interested, and yeah. So check out my gun videos on here also if you want. But anyway, like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell me what else you'd like to see. Tell me if you'd like to see anything more on the Comanche, and I'll kind of do updates as I go, and go from there. So thanks for watching. But I did also put a new dash in it. Of course, I had to get the Pioneer dash, Bluetooth, and you can talk on the phone through the radio and all that stuff. So it's a pretty good upgrade for this. I do need to, my blower motor has been getting super hot, causing my fuse panel to get super hot. So I do need to replace my blower motor so I can start using the air conditioning again, which I really want to do because obviously in South Louisiana it's super hot and muggy down here. But I need to redo this so I can get the correct reading on this. It's no, you know, they're notorious for reading low. And then I need to get a new temperature sending unit. So I'm just kind of doing piece by piece and getting it done. So yeah, I'm doing piece by piece and trying to get everything done, trying to get everything I'm just kind of going at my own pace, which is probably pretty slow compared to some of y'all, but learning as I go. I am kind of, you know, this is all new to me, learning. Of course, nothing on this Jeep is what you think it should be. It's got AMC parts, it's got Chrysler parts, it's got Ford parts, it's got like when I redid the I had to rewire the front blinker and stuff. I had to get Ford blinker new sockets or whatever. So I've got AMC parts, Ford parts, Chrysler parts, who knows what else. Nothing is standard on this thing. I've got some that are Torx bit screws, some that are screws that are, you know, Phillips head, flathead, whatever. It's just a mix of everything. No matter what I try to do, nothing is standardized, and everything is just, you know, kind of like you just got to figure everything out as you go. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever. Tell me what you want to see. Maybe I'll do an off-road video or something like that soon, or a video of me driving it more. But yeah, I'm enjoying the heck out of it. I love this Comanche. It makes me feel like I'm back in high school driving again. You actually have to drive it. I haven't drove a standard in a while. It's super fun, obviously. But it's like riding a bike. Once you know how to do it, you never forget. You just pick right back up where you started. So yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching. See you on down the road.